Assalamu alaikum, welcome back my street family. I would like to say welcome to all of you to use car word, cheapest car word. So first of all, please subscribe to know all type of new upcoming updates. Just wanna show you new collections what I have right now. Just have a look. Mercedes A220 2020 model, Nissan Altima 22 model, Dodge Charger. Super amazing sportive car. Easily you can grab that one. 2019 model. Corolla. Who love Corolla? Come here. Can grab that Corolla also. Let me complete here one by one. Corolla. Also here have Chevrolet Impala, Honda Accord, Lancer. Sorry, I just forget to tell you which model. Lancer 2017 model, Corolla 2018 model, that Malibu 2016 model. Just have backside. That Mercedes C300 2019 model, Hyundai Sonata 21 model. That BMW 22 model, Volkswagen Beetle, amazing, especially for females. Luxury car 2019 model, Mini Cooper, that's also amazing car, like medium size with full option, super amazing car. This one also available. Also see that one, wow, Genesis, it's blast, super gorgeous car with a lot of features. And these are family cars. Kia Telluride 21 model, Hyundai Palisade 2020 model, converted 23. And that one here, Kia Sorento 2020 with full options. And for company use, I have that one van, Nissan van 21 model. Here we go. One more Palisade, Hyundai Palisade 2020 model, toppest option. And also have Lexus IS 250 2009 model. Good car with good price. Pickup. Who's pickup lover? Come here, guys. Just visit that car. Visit, drive, test, then you can decide. Also here have Sunny. Sunny. Who loves Sunny? Okay, come on. 2001 model. Here also I have Nissan Altima 21 model, black. Also have Santa Fe 22 model, Hyundai Elantra 2018 model, 2.0 with 4 cylinder. Sorry. Malibu, Chevrolet Malibu. It's amazing car, luxury car, and with small engine, 1.5 4 cylinder economy car. Here we go. Also have Ford Edge 2020 model, the 2.0 4 cylinder. Also I have Jeeps 2.3 with 4 cylinder 2019 model. Jeep also Compass 2021 model. This one also 4 cylinder. But if you like Jeep Grand Cherokee, amazing, good car. That one will be an easy bank finance or cash, both available. Yeah. Mazda, that one sold. Mercedes GLA 250 22 model with 4 cylinder. all type of these cars available on easy bank finance installment. If you don't have cash, you can grab all these cars on zero down payment bank finance. Zero down payment bank finance. Mercedes GLC 2019, Mercedes GLC 2017, Genesis, one more here, that one GV70 22 model. Who's pickup lover? Pickup. And pickups I have Ford 150, wow, 2016 model. And also have Ram 21 model. Ram. Who love Ram? 21 with 4-door. Also have Ram, that one 21 model also with 2 doors. Oh sorry, 2-door, yeah, not 4 doors. So let's have move. Here I have Honda HRV in GCC specs 2020, economy car 1.5 with 4-cylinder. And also that one Kia Seltos 2020 model, economy car 1.6 engine with 4-cylinder. And here we go, some of sportive cars like Ford Mustang 21 model, convertible, you can use it 2-in-1. Nissan Maxima 2017 model, so also good option. Chevrolet Impala 2017 model. These are available easy bank finance installment, anyone can grab without any down payment. Also see MG, that's best car, big and super car. So guys, these all type of collection available ABC Used Cars Company, shop number 96 in Ajman Car Market. Anyone can come, visit me, visit the car, visit the collection, get offers, get support, get all type of services at a same time. So thank you so much for visiting. Follow us, don't forget to subscribe. आपका अपना Mr. Happy. Thank you.